So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically add TagMango leads to Mailchimp as subscriber. So if you're a content creator using TagMango as a platform for your online courses or workshops, this one automation is going to help you a lot. So in this automation, whenever you are going to receive a new lead in TagMango using your landing pages which you have created, automatically with the same details, this lead will be added as a subscriber in our Mailchimp account. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my TagMango account. And in my TagMango account, I have created a Mango page for one of my courses which is named as Introduction to Generative AI. It was Generative AI 1-1 workshop. And here guys, what I have done, I have added this form to get some new leads. Now, whenever a form submission is made, whenever someone will enter their details and register for this workshop, a new lead will be added or received in my TagMango account. And I want to add that same lead as a subscriber, as a member in my Mailchimp account as well. Now to do this, what we have to do, we have to connect our TagMango account with Mailchimp. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on the sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on Access Now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on Access Now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And here we have to create an automation workflow. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name a workflow as TagMango to Mailchimp. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. Now, as we click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we get a new lead in our TagMango account from a specific Mango page, automatically the details of the same lead will be received inside Pabbly Connect as well. And this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same lead to Mailchimp and we are going to add that same lead as a subscriber in our Mailchimp account as well as a new contact over there. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose Apps, search for TagMango and select it. After selecting TagMango in Trigger Event from this dropdown, select the trigger event as Lead Capture. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our TagMango account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your TagMango account and from the left sidebar under Automations, you can see this option of Platform Integrations. Just click on it. And after clicking on it, here you can see the Pabbly API key. Just copy it from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this API key, just click on Save. And as you click on Save, you can see our TagMango account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here it is asking us to select the page. Now here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the pages which I have created in my TagMango account. Like under Page Builder Mango Pages, you can see a list of all the pages which I have over here inside Pabbly Connect. And out of all of these pages, from which page we want to basically get the new lead from. So I have created this page of Introduction to Generative AI free masterclass and I want to capture the new leads from this particular page and add them in Mailchimp. So I'm selecting this page over here. After selecting our Mango page, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it has now changed to Waiting for a Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture the response of a new lead from TagMango. But after clicking it on for the first time, here you can see we have received the response, and in this response you can see we have the details of a test lead, a dummy lead. So after capturing this first response automatically, we'll just click on this recapture webhook response button once again, and after that again it has now changed to waiting for a response. And now we'll go to the same page which we have selected in TagMango. We'll open this page, and the lead form which we have added in this page, we are going to make a dummy form submission in this lead form. For example, the name of the user is test lead. The email address is this. This is a dummy mobile number. Then the company is, for example, Google. The designation is junior developer. So just now in this lead form, in this lead page which we have created in TagMango, I have entered the details of a dummy lead. Now let's click on register now. As we click on register now, here you can see the submission is successfully done. This means a new lead is added in our TagMango account. So I'll just go to the lead section, and yes, test lead, the same lead is added over here. As you can see, we have received a new lead. And because we have connected our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow, in this trigger step responses, we have received the response of the same lead. We have the phone number of the same lead which we have entered just now. We have the same name, same email, same designation, and also the same company. Also, we have the date and time, that at what date and time this lead was generated. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our TagMango account with Pabbly Connect and captured our new TagMango lead in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to add this same lead in our Mailchimp account as a new member, as a new subscriber. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, search for Mailchimp. Just select it. After selecting Mailchimp, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as add new member with custom fields. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Mailchimp account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the token and the data center of our Mailchimp account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this token and the data center for your Mailchimp account. So to get the token, just log into your Mailchimp account. From the right top corner, go to profile section over here. After coming to the profiles page, what we have to do, we have to go to extras, and below extras in this drop down, you can see this option of API key. Just select it. And after clicking on API key, here you can see we have reached to this API keys page. To create a new API key over here, we will just scroll down and you will get a button to generate a new API key. So just click on this create a key button, and then we have to give this API key a name. So let's say I'll name my API key as TagMango, and after naming it, just click on generate key button. Now you can see that we have successfully generated a new API key in Mailchimp. Let's copy this key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here under token. Then it is asking us for the data center. Now here to get the data center of your Mailchimp account, just go back to Mailchimp, and here in the URL section before .admin you can see US6. This is the data center of my Mailchimp account. So we'll just copy the data center name from here and paste it over here. And after entering the token, the API key or the token and the data center, just click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see our Mailchimp account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the audience list. So all the audience lists which you have created in Mailchimp, you can see all of those audience lists in this dropdown. Right now in my Mailchimp account, I have only one audience list named as Pabbly Connect. That's why we can see only one option over here. So I'm going to create a new contact in this particular list. Then after that, it is asking us for the email address, that what is the email address of this new member, of this new contact which we are adding in Mailchimp. So we have received all the details of a lead from TagMango in our trigger step responses, like we have the phone number, name, email address, designation, and company. And one by one, we have to add all of these details, these responses of a new lead received from TagMango to this Mailchimp action step. And to add the responses from trigger step to this action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. So we'll just click on this field of email address, and here from the drop down from TagMango responses, we are going to select the response of the email address and map it over here. After mapping the email address, it is asking us for the tags, that whether we want to add some tags to this contact, this member, or not. So right now, I don't want to add any tags to this contact over here, so let's ignore it. and then it is asking us for the status of the subscriber. So in this dropdown, you can see we have a list of different status: subscribed, unsubscribed, clean, pending, and transactional. So I'm selecting subscribed over here as I want the status of all the subscribers, all the members as subscribed. Then it is asking us for the interest or group. So right now I haven't created any interest group or specific groups in Mailchimp. So we can just ignore this field for now as well. Then it is asking us for the company, and we have received the name of the company of the lead from TagMango. So from the drop down from TagMango responses, let's map the company name. Then we are going to map the designation as well. Then it is asking us for the first name and last name. Now the name which we have received from TagMango is the full name. But Mailchimp is asking us for a separate response of first name and last name. Now what we have to do, we have to basically break this full name which we have received from TagMango into two parts of first name and last name. And to do this, we are going to use a feature, a module of Pabbly Connect called text formatter. Just scroll down before this Mailchimp action step, just click on this add action step button over here. And then here in choose app, search for text formatter and select it. After selecting text formatter in action event from the drop down, select the action event as split text. After clicking on split text, just click on connect. And then it is asking us text to split. Just click on this field, and from the drop down from TagMango responses, select the response of the name of the lead over here. Now we want to split this full name into two parts before and after the space, like we have a space between the first name and last name. So we are going to use space as a separator. So we are going to write space in double curly braces, and because we want the first name as well as the last name, we are going to select the segment index as all and click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here in the response you can see the full name is breaked into two parts, two different responses of first name and last name. Now we can map both of these separate responses into separate fields of Mailchimp. So we'll just come to the Mailchimp action, click on this field of first name, and from the drop down from text formatter responses, select the response of the first name and map it. Then we don't have the gender, so we can just ignore this field for now, but we have the last name, so let's map the last name as well. After mapping the name over here, it is asking us for the mobile number. So from the TagMango responses, select and map the response of mobile number. And if you have added any other fields or getting some other data of a new lead from TagMango, you can map those details as well. Now after mapping all the details into the respective fields, just click on save and send test request. And after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the lead whose details we have mapped over here, basically the same lead which we have captured in our TagMango account, is now added as a member, as subscriber or contact in Mailchimp. So let's check it. We will just go to a Mailchimp account. I'll go to the audience and all contact section. And yes, here you can see test lead, the same person whose details we have just now added on our lead form in TagMango, with the same details is now added as a contact in our Mailchimp account. We have the same first name, same last name, same email, same phone number, company and designation as well. This means the automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. We are going to make another lead form submission over here. So I'll just make the refresh, or what we can do is basically we can copy the same link and open it in a new tab. So I'll just copy the link over here, go to the incognito tab and paste it. And now what we are going to do, we are going to enter the details of a new lead. For example, dummy lead. This is the name of the person, dummy lead 2@pabblytudes.com. This is the email address. This is the mobile number which we are entering. Company is, for example, Amazon, and the designation is, for example, content creator. And let's click on register. So just now what we have done, we have entered the details of a new lead. Like in our TagMango account, we have received a new lead over here named as dummy lead. And as we get this new lead, we will see instantly within seconds in our Mailchimp account as well, this new lead will be added. So we'll just go to the contacts page, and yes, here you can see with the same details, dummy lead is added as a contact in Mailchimp. We have the same name, we have the same email, mobile number, same company and designation as well. So we have tested this automation in real time, and this Pabbly Connect automation is working really fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.